Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Motherboard, and we're going on
R2-D2, Your Highness.
R2-D2. Yes, I've got 10 more stages. We'll split them up in two of 5 stages, and we're starting with issue 69. We have right there, as you can see, the Galaxy moves on parts that we'll be using are there already as well. Modern telecommunication. This looks like the 70s because we're way past this already. But health robots with cameras and doctors on a different continent works. Body frames is what we're doing, and we're assembling the first bottom ring, as you can see right there. So let's do that. Actually did it twice, but the camera wasn't. Remember, we did this. We're not using this just yet. All silver screws. Are these the thick ones or the? But we will find out soon enough. Yeah, we're screwing in from the top. Seriously, is that all we do? And we're not doing anything with that just yet. It's an internal support. But that's the first stage done. So let's put this aside and go to 70, as you can see right there. And body panels is what we're going on with. We've got it at the ready, and we're putting those together. So let's put that aside and do that. This is all plastic. We're putting them right there, right there. So put those in and push those on. And we're putting a 3mm, very short, this one, black screw. That is not doing anything at all. I don't think that is the proper screw. 3x6, and I didn't only saw the 3. That's the thicker one. Ouch! Don't screw into yourself. These 2 panels we've just put in, and I put a screwdriver on in my hand. And there we go. We're pushing it in like so, and most probably putting that 6mm in there as well. 3x6, yes. And there we go. 2.3x6mm black screw, self-tapping. Yep, we're putting them on this side. Have a look at that. The arrows come together when you put them on. Make sure you put that arrow towards the arrow that is on the white panel. And the last one, and then this stage is not done because we're getting that previous one out that we've put together and putting that on this side, and we're putting them like so. Should these be the flanged ones? I think so. Yeah, these should be the flanged ones. So I put the wrong ones on the other side, so I'm gonna have to take them out. So this should be the flanged screw that you use. It doesn't show, but if you look at how you're screwing this in, if you use the small with the non-flanged screw head, it will not be connected properly, and with these it will. So get those properly in. I think I need to get my special cloth out because I don't want to scratch that. You see that the screw I used is too small because it almost goes into the screw hole itself of that part of it. And these flange parts make sure that that doesn't happen. This flange part makes sure that it holds in the whole thing, as you can see there right now. And that's another stage done, number 70. That is what we have. So I'm going to put that aside because I don't think we're going on with that, but we are going on with that frame. 71. Yeah, as you can see, we're building onto that with that frame, and we're getting the other frame part out, the one in the middle, and we're putting that together, and then we get a So let's get that part out. That is what we also need, so let's put that to the side. Let's get that one out. All right. So we've got 1, 2, and 3, third block, and we're going to put the smaller screws in. And these are all pre-threaded, so no need for oil. And we're just putting these in. Then we've got that first part of the lower frame together. That one's on as well. 2 more of those little things. I'll have a look what the measurements of these are so you know which ones to put on. These are the 2 times 4 millimeter screws. Then we get those out. 5 times 8, those are the thick ones. These are no, the longer ones, 8 millimeters long. I think we're going to put them on like so, with those pins in. And the screws from underneath, I think. Yep, I think we're putting these in. Because we've got flanged or tapered heads. And we've got it. No, that's not going in anywhere. They're not going in. These are not going in either. Have I got it in the wrong position? No, I've got it in the right position. Now let's see. I don't see how they put that together. All right, so I was right, but wasn't there totally. I think this is how it's supposed to go. Yep. Yep, that's it. So you put that panel in and then you put that thing on like you see me put there. No. Oh yeah. No. That should be the other way around. And there's no oil needed on these because these are pretty much pre-threaded properly. So that's the number to the inside. More or less these panels are showing each other their numbers. And these blocks are the ones that are looking outside. And that is another stage done. Let's go to 72 and see what we do in that. As you can see right there, 72. Ooh, that looks nice. Sorry, a bit of my English tea needed. We're putting the speaker on, so we're putting that aside. And we're getting the cloth out again, because we don't want that to be scratched. And we're working in that area. And we have these parts. And 2, 3, 6 mil self-tapping. I think we're going to use them here. Then we're going to put this on. Have a look at, there's a little outtake there. That needs to be in there. Then we're going to put one of those screws into the middle of it. That's that black 6 mil screw. That's the longer one. Let's put that in then. Let's put that on then. And put those other 6 mil black screws out. 2.3 times 6. And that speaker is on. It looks like that on the other side. And that's something completed again. So we're doing the last thing. I don't know which part we are going to be using. The metal frame or the... I think it's the frame, yeah. Because we've got these long pole metal parts. Must be the frame. Here we go. 73. Designing new worlds. D-Squad. Smart cities. There we go. All right, we'll find out. All right, let's put that in. So we're getting a screw in there. And then we're putting one of these on. And we're doing that how many times? Then I think we're putting them onto those points. This is the body frame that we're putting on. Or making, I should say. Yep, made another mistake. Or I got the wrong part. That should be the other way around. Okay, it's not a quick fix. We need to get those out. So, where is my good screwdriver? Right there. To get that right, I have to do that, which is should should not be correct, because we usually put those panels in with the numbers showing, and we're not showing here. So that's a bit weird, but it's on the right side now. Either I got the wrong part, or they didn't tell us that we have to flip it over. So we can do that now. That screw in. Now we've got 2 of those to put on like so, with the screws from the top, like so, and then the screws from the top. And which kind of screws are we putting in? I think these are the ones, but if not, they're these. So we put 2 more in. We're really nicely on the video, because it's almost half an hour of filming, which I really like, because I don't want to make too long videos. I've said it enough, I think. Okay, this is what we have, and that panel which I had here, which I've always told you that the numbers have to go up, that one has to be switched over, otherwise this one isn't in the right position, which is a little bit strange, but it's there. And that is what we have done until today, until now. I will do the other 5 packs in a different video, but thank you very much for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do that other 5 parts or any other build. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.